This past weekend, binalikan namin ang Garden Dine, ang paboritong reception venue ng karamihan sa mga Angelenyos pagdating sa kasal, birthday at debut. And by this time, dapat alam mo na pwede ka mag-walk-in dito para kumain kahit na hindi ka nagpa-cater. As always, maganda yung ambience, pwede siya for family, groups, or kahit na date night. Sa mga hindi pa nakakasubok ng Garden Dine, ito yung address nila located sa Balibago, open daily from 10 AM to 9 PM. Meron silang limited parking space and they have both alfresco and air-conditioned na dining area. For today, sinubukan kong orderin yung mga hindi pa namin naipakita nung huling visit namin dito. Although palaging kasama talaga sa order, etong chicken Caesar salad, hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Para naman kay Papa, we ordered steak, I think ribeye yata to. Meron din sila ng porterhouse, T-bone, and Angus, and in fairness, mas mura compared sa ibang mga restaurants na nagsaserve ng steak. It was tasty and cooked to a perfect medium well. Si Mama naman as a mahilig sa pusit, sa kanya lahat itong stuffed squid na maraming vegetables on the inside. This next one naman is a very creamy seafood dish. Meron din yung squid, shrimp, and fish. Pagdating sa ganitong dish, dalawa yung option ko. Either you brighten things up with a squeeze of lemon or paliliguan ng chili oil. Either way, it will turn out so good. Masarap ang mga pasta nila dito sa Garden Dine, period. Itong order ni Mama is their chicken Alfredo. Yung pamangkin ko naman, gustong-gusto yung creamy chicken pesto. And as for me, ang pinakagusto ko ay itong kanilang seafood marinara. It starts with the right touch of sweetness, tapos merong shrimp and fish fillet. This naman is their barbecue ribs. It's sweet, sticky, and tender. Pwede kang umorder ng good for sharing or pwede rin namang solo with rice. Their beef caldereta is a must try. Suggestion ko lang, siguro pwede nilang itanong sa guest kung gusto ng spicy or hindi. Kasi ako, ang gusto ko dito, umaapoy sa anghang. Yung sarsa niya is very thick at nanunuot yung lasa hanggang sa loob ng beef. After that, we're having some crispy pata. Syempre, paborito ng mga tito at tita sa mga handaan. Yung napaka-crispy pa nung balat, tapos isasawsaw mo sa toyo mansi na maanghang at maraming sibuyas. Up next, we're having their buffalo wings that's still super crispy on the outside kahit na may glaze na siya. And then meron ding dipping sauce. It's a little bit tangy at hindi maanghang, so pwede to kahit sa kids. Etong susunod naman na chicken dish natin is grilled that's paired with some achara on the side. It's cooked really well but still juicy on the inside at lahat ng in-order natin perfect na ipares doon sa kanilang Yangzhou fried rice. Bagong product daw nila itong cake na to. It's a very moist chocolate with some caramel. Not overly sweet, it's very rich and decadent and will definitely make your celebrations extra special. Nag-o-offer din sila ng mga bilao specials na pwede nyong orderin at baunin sa mga handaan. Ang sarap nitong japchae nila. Dinala ko yun sa work and girl, pinag-agawan ng mga kasama ko. And lastly, para naman sa drinks, we had some mango shake and their house blend iced tea. Wala talagang kupas dito sa Garden Dine, kaya sa susunod na naghahanap kayo ng kakainan, nako, alam mo na kung